how are you? In today's session, we will learn simple concepts in geometry. I hope you will enjoy this session. At very first, we will learn what is point. Point is the smallest element of geometry. Like this. This is a point. We can name any point with any capital letter. Like this is point A. Point is the smallest element that we can draw using the tip of the pen or pencil. It has no length, no breadth. It has only a definite position. That is line, geometric line. This is a line. It has two arrowheads on both the sides. Arrows indicate that a line can be extended on both the directions endlessly. Means a line can extend in both the directions. It has no fixed length. We can name a line by marking 2 points and giving it name. Like this line is line AB. In this way, we can write line AB. We can call it line BA also. A line has no end point. It can extend in both directions. A line can be drawn in 3 directions. Like this. This is line PQ. This is vertical straight line. Next, line RS is horizontal straight line. Line MN is oblique straight line. Line segment. A straight line between 2 points is called a line segment. Like this is line segment MN. We can write it like this. This is line MN, or we can say this is line NM. In fact, line segment is a part of a line. It has 2 endpoints. These are 2 endpoints. Means it cannot extend in any of the direction. It has a fixed length and we can draw any line segment of any length using ruler. It can also be drawn in 3 directions. This is vertical line segment AB, horizontal line segment CD, and EF is the oblique line segment. Oblique line segment can also be called slanting line segment. Our next topic is ray. PQ is a ray. A ray has one initial point and on the other end it has an arrow. Arrow indicates that it can extend in that direction. Means a ray can extend in one direction and on the other end it has a fixed end point. A ray has one end point. For example, like the torch. Light coming out of the torch. It travels in one direction only. And rays of sun, they also move in a single direction. These two are the best examples of ray. We denote ray by like this. P, Q, we write like this. For this ray, we will write ray MN and arrow will be on side of M. Ray can also be of 3 types like vertical ray, horizontal ray and slanting ray. Next topic is intersecting lines. As the name tells, intersecting means cutting each other lines. When 2 lines like line AB and line CD cut each other at a point, these two lines are called intersecting lines. And at which point they cut? This point is called point of intersection. This point is called point of intersection. Curved lines. Zigzag lines are called curved lines. Like this is a curved line. We can draw curved lines freehandly without using any scale. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.